Welcome to Russia. You have just arrived off the plane, and now I shall take you on a guided tour. This is Russia. It is a beautiful country. And now, let's continue our tour. Why, hello. Down here we have a corridor of the airport. And there we have people. As we continue on our tour, there are some beautiful Russian steps. And a sign that says, please do not disturb. Now we shall continue on our tour. Here are some more beautiful people hard at work in the airport. That was my tour. Thank you.